Let's talk about the latest launched Huawei smartphone Nova 12 Pro. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with LTPO LED display, 6.76 inches Full HD plus punch hole cutout display, resolution of 1224 by 2776 pixels, 89% screen-to-body ratio, approximately 449 ppi pixel density, 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR support, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera, along with 8 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera. For selfies it has dual camera setup on the front that includes 8 megapixel telephoto camera, along with 60 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on exclusive optimized version of Harmony OS 4.0 screen on top. The device, under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core, powered by Kirin 8000 chipset, paired with ARM Mali G610 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12 GB of RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB of onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.14 by 74.96 by 7.68 mm, and it weighs around 201 grams. The color options: black, blue, pink, white colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 4600 mAh battery, with 100-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features, under display, fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS L1 plus L5, Type-C headphone jack, and a USB Type-C charging port, and with NFC, BDS satellite calling and message, and with stereo speakers. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Huawei Nova 12 Pro has been priced for 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 3,999 Chinese yuan, and around $560 and 156,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 12 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 4,399 Chinese yuan, and around $615 and 171,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Huawei Nova 12 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below. And subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.